Hi, my name is Julia Curlin.
And I'm Rachel Kubik.
And we are the president and vice president of the Media Student Association, a student organization here on campus for all the students under the School of Media and Communications.
At MSA, we focus on a variety of networking opportunities, including our big event, Media Career Day. This is held every spring, and we interact with alumni, potential employers, just to gain experience in the media field and learn what our life might be like one day.
We also try to put on other social events, such as our Halloween mixer, fundraising events, and more.
If you're interested in becoming a part of the Media Student Association, you can email Julia at jcurlin@bgsu.edu for more information. We're also working on setting up our schedule. We're trying to meet on Zoom at least once a week, so be sure to send us your availability when you email her, and we will get you put on our email list.
We look forward to seeing you on campus
and Zoom.